Well, before we get this big snowstorm everybody's talking about, I'm going to be trying to adjust valves on this OBS. And if you're new and you having issues out of your OBS, let me just go through my symptoms. I run up and down. Well, the first thing I should have checked was, will it suck a dollar bill up into the tailpipe? Which it does. So, I didn't do it at first. So I tossed the parts cannon at it, replaced everything, ECU, distributor, blah 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 blah. Bunch of money, no fix. And then it was a little cold and I noticed the PVC had a little bit of blow by it, and every time it come out, it would suck it back in. So I went to the tailpipe, put a $5 bill, a dollar bill, and sure enough, it sucks it up the tailpipe and blows it back out. So either it's a sticking valve or it's a bump valve. Most likely it's a bump valve. I done tried seafoam in it, didn't fix it, but I'm going to adjust these valves in this video, and maybe one of them somehow somebody been here and did some magic or something and just got one too tight. So in order to remove the valve cover, it's pretty simple on these trucks. You might have to remove this AC line if you ain't got enough room to fish it out, but I think it'd be plenty. We shouldn't have to do anything. These cables can be a pain. I actually don't want to do this, but it's cheap assurance. You know, I can adjust this and then fix it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I got a cracked manifold and some other stuff, and I could adjust this and take this off and look at the valves, and it's a video. Let's get into it. The size of these is 3/8. I don't know if it'll be the same on yours or not. It smells like old shitty oil. If you ever smelt that, it's not good. See, it's like a blue glued. You won't have to tap at. You shouldn't have to tap your valve cover. Way too tight. I got an old hood latch here. This should work. Oh my God. What the hell? So, I got a pry bar and a rubber hammer. And try not to dent your valve cover. That's the last thing you need to do. Maybe we can fish it out now. Is that really holding me? The blanket? No? Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. I got you. I got you. You bitch. I should pull the bolts out. Okay, inside here looks normal, I guess. I don't see no studs pouring out. So what I'm going to do is start this. Take a 5/8, that should be 5/8, and we will try to adjust this valve running. Oh, it's oiling so good, ain't it? That's sarcasm because it's a lot more. This is a 5/8. We're going to back this up to its shadows. Once it starts shadowing, let's go a half ton. Okay, make that fish. Let's quit shadowing. Let's go half time. Same way then. Okay, maybe this will fix it. Much better now. Now I'm going to shut it off, take the other valve cover off. It's such a idle. Not as bad as it was. Maybe if I loosen the other side up, this issue might go away. Well, I went ahead and did the passenger side, and you can see it didn't fix it. Not at all. It's still idling. It's something to do with the valves though, because as you work them into it, it straightens up. So it could be sticky valves. They're just getting the guides that wore out or something, or bent valves, they just binding up. It's something to do with that that's causing the vacuum and hit a blow in. You know, such it all build up. So it's either butt valves, but that fixing itself while I was messing with the valves, that seems like a sticky valve more to me than that. So it is what it is. Hopefully you found this video helpful. What you do, you can do it 1/4 of a ton. Just loosen the lock arms up to a chatter, and then you tighten them up to it hushes, and then go 1/4 ton or a 1/2 ton, whatever you prefer. And you want to do this ever so often if you get some locker noise or something, but you can't do it if it's solid lifters. This is only hydraulic lifters, and you can't do it on the initial setup. You gotta manually do that on a fresh rebuilt motor. This is just if everything's set up, you just need to go back in and do everything. So drop a like, subscribe, see you next time.